Welcome back to a new video friends. Today I'm going to tell about how to disable dual Instagram in Redmi 10 phone guys. How can you disable in Redmi 10 phone guys? Today I will tell you guys how to disable dual Instagram in Redmi 10 phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time. So first of all guys, go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So right now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting. Then guys click on apps option. Then guys click on dual apps Instagram, and guys dual Instagram off disable. So right now you can see my Instagram has disabled in my Redmi 10 phone. You can see friends. So I think friends we have understood how to disable dual Instagram in Redmi 10 phone. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel.